Hello YouTube, this is Minecast213 bringing you another video. This video is an unboxing of the Lego Creator Hillside House. I've been dying to open this because my dad didn't let me open it. So today is finally the day where I can open it. So let's get right to it. So, let's unbox it. Wow, that sounds like a lot of pieces. Okay, so that side's open. Other side. As you might know, this set costs about 70 bucks. I think that's what the retail value is. Yeah, that's how much I think it costs. Anyway. So, let's get, okay, anyway, so let's slide out all this stuff. Whoa, that's a lot. Wow, let's take a tour. As you can see, you got your instruction right here. That's to the side, bunch of pieces, a mat. Couple more. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun building this. Stay tuned because I'm probably gonna make a video of the Hillside House and maybe some other ones too. So, peace out. This is Minecast213 signing off. See ya.